Hi, it's Dax and his JoJo from the Bowdabra Design Team. He's going to help me make a pet collar bow today. Here's a few things he'll be using.
Merry Christmas. It says Merry Christmas.
Okay, it's folded in half, and now Dax is going to place it inside the Bowdabra. Now, what do you do next? Don't you tuck the ends underneath?
Yeah.
Okay, pick it up. There you go. Now set it back down.
I'm
Okay.
5 years old.
Yep, Dax is 5 now. Okay,
5 years
now
old.
what is this? It's your,
Pink.
it's pink, but it's your tails. And what are we making a bow for? Talk to them. Talk to them. We're making Cybill a bow today.
And Reba and Toby.
Well, today we're just doing Cybill. Look, what you do. Show me. Remember? You find the middle.
Yep.
Find the middle.
Yeah.
Was that the middle?
Yeah.
What do you do? Push it down.
Push it down.
You do it. You're the one making it. There you go. Now make it flat.
I'm gonna make it flat.
Make it flat.
That's flat.
Flat. Okay. That's.
What's funny?
Okay. And then that was about a 5-inch piece of ribbon. We've already dovetailed it because Dax is too little to use the scissors. This is about 18 inches of 2.5-inch wide ribbon. Dax, look, you're gonna do the other end. Fold it under 3 times. You do this end. Roll it up 3 times. Let's move the Bowdabra. So, yep, 1, 2, 3, that's it. Now here's the Bowdabra, the Mini Bowdabra. What do you do next, remember? Look, start doing this.
Yeah.
Look what you're doing.
I'm doing
Keep
good.
doing it. Yep, you're doing real good. Go all the way to the end. All the way. All the way. Keep going. Almost. Now, keep going. Oh, get that in there. Okay, push it down. Okay, here. Now what do you do? This is your favorite part.
Yep.
Push. Okay, lift it. Look at that. Now you take your loose ends and your looped end and you pull it through. Then you want to pull it out, move that aside. I'm going to tie this for you since you don't even know how to tie your shoes yet. So I'm going to take it, separate the ends, and I'm going to bring them to the back and tie them in a knot. Now you want to take your ends and bring them to the front. Okay, what did you show everybody that?
Yeah.
Okay, so now, can you see better than me?
Yeah.
Can you thread this?
Yeah.
Do it, push that through that hole. Take the wire and push it through that hole. Can you see it? Okay, now you want to pull this down. Good job, Dax. You want to take this and pull this back over and make it tight. Tie it in a knot. Like this. Knot. And then look, you fluff it out. And then you have, show everybody what you just made. Hold it down so they can see it.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! And that's all there is to it. Now it's time to go try it on Cybill and see how it looks. We'll see you in a minute. Look how gorgeous Dax's foster dog Cybill looks in her new bow. Now she's ready for her adoption photos. Thanks for watching.